Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you. We'll be showing you how to install and use a VPN extension for Chrome to enhance your online security and privacy. Let's get started. First, let's understand what VPN extensions are and why they are beneficial. A VPN extension is a software program that you can add to your Chrome browser, allowing you to create a secure and encrypted connection to the internet. This protects your online activities from prying eyes and helps maintain your privacy. The first step is to choose a VPN extension that meets your needs. Go to the Chrome Web Store and search for VPN extension. Look for reputable options with positive reviews and a good track record for security and performance. Read the descriptions and compare features before making your decision. Once you've chosen a VPN extension, click on the Add to Chrome button on the extensions page. Chrome will then ask for confirmation to add the extension. Click Add Extension to proceed. The extension will now be installed in your Chrome browser. After the installation, you'll usually find the VPN extension icon in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. Click on the icon to open the extension. You may need to create an account or sign in to the VPN service if prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the configuration process. Once you've configured the VPN extension, it's time to connect to a VPN server. Click on the VPN extension icon and select a server location from the available options. Choose a server that suits your needs, such as a location that allows you to access geo-restricted content or provides a faster connection. Click on the Connect or similar button to establish the VPN connection. To ensure that the VPN connection is working properly, visit a website that displays your IP address, such as whatsmite.org. Before connecting to the VPN server, note down your original IP address. Then, connect to the VPN server and check the IP address again. If the displayed IP address has changed, it means the VPN connection is active and your data is being encrypted. Congratulations! You're now connected to a VPN server through the Chrome VPN extension. Enjoy the benefits of enhanced security, privacy, and access to geo-restricted content. You can browse the web, stream videos, or use online services with peace of mind, knowing that your data is protected. That concludes our tutorial on installing and using a VPN extension for Chrome. VPN extensions are a great tool to safeguard your online activities and protect your privacy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more tech-related tutorials, and don't forget to leave any questions or comments in the section below. Stay secure and enjoy your browsing experience.